I think he can help a lot because he knows the club. And the club should listen to the guys who was there. You or Roy Keane or Paul Scholes or Gary Neville, whatever. Sir Alex Ferguson. You cannot rebuild a club without knowledge. Not guys who work in office. They understand, I understand a lot of football because I see football in the television every day and I understand. No, doesn't work like that. The people who understand the football, it was 99% is the people who was there in the dressing room, who was player, who was the most successful coaches in the world. Guardiola, Ferguson, there was player before, there was in dressing room. They understand, they know how to deal with the players.